Hello guys, we're at Pure Taqueria. That's how you pronounce it. I've got a mojito. Blake's got the Diablo margarita. We're having some queso and it's really delicious. How's it taste?
It's good.
Yeah. And yeah, it wasn't as hard as I thought. We're taking that little cutie to the dog park. She's so adorable. Guys, I'm doing something crazy right now. It's 5:30 in the morning. And I'm about to film a video. Alright, Blake's sleeping, so I'm currently in the living room trying to set everything up to get this video filmed. And I'm currently setting up Disney Plus on the Roku. I've already kind of messed with it on the mobile, so I'm just kind of trying to see, make sure my review is good and trying to try as much as I can before I start this video. So that's kind of what's happening. And I'm trying to be quiet, but it's also raining outside. And Disney Plus also seemed to launch early. I was trying to get my video up like one of the first people and it came out. I don't know why. So just gotta keep going, you know? So dark outside. It's raining. I'm hoping my ring light will be sufficient as well as this one. And Sound of Music's going in the background. We got Disney Plus in full swing. Okay, this is hilarious. So Nala is scared of that thing moving on the TV. The thing bouncing around that says TCL Roku, watch her. Nala! Blake's sleeping, he's gonna be so confused. She's so scared, I don't know why, of that thing that's bouncing around on the TV. Look, it's okay, look. All gone. All gone. Is that better? Is that better for you? She's so confused. Ella, it's okay, Bubba. It's okay. It's okay. It's all gone. It's all gone. She's so confused right now. Update. It still hasn't come back, but she has now assumed guard stance over me. And she will not take her focus away from the TV. She's just waiting for it to come back on. All right, we got the video uploading. For some reason, my fridge just decided to be super loud. Video's uploading. I'm currently watching Encore, which I'm really enjoying. And the sun is starting to come out outside. It is currently 7:07 a.m. Definitely going back to bed after this. Just trying to get this video up. What's up, guys? I just woke up from my nap after filming my Disney Plus review video. And now Blake and I are mounting our television. Blake's over here looking up YouTube videos. It's gonna be perfect. We're putting it into the universe that we're gonna do this very good. Now it's chasing our tail. It's a great day.
I mean, look at you. For a basketball player, short little fella.
You having a good nap?
You're not letting me.
Good nap?
Of course not, son.
Thank you everyone so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed kind of seeing a little behind the scenes of my Disney Plus video and waking up at 5:30 in the morning to film it. Thank you for all your support on that video and for watching it and liking it and commenting. It really means the world to me. I cannot believe it has 3,000 views. And yeah, anyway, I hope that you're having a wonderful week and I will see you on Tuesday with a new video. Bye!